Hey guys, Jim Stevens here with Growlink. We're visiting B-Force today in Hillsboro, Oregon. Pretty exciting. These guys are modeling for us their central fertigation system. It looks great. I do want to point out that we're going to one of the most secure cannabis facilities in Oregon because, as you can see, we're driving by the Washington County Sheriff's Training Division, which shares a parking lot with Walnut Industrial Park. And Walnut Industrial Park is sort of like a cannabis condominium complex. It's a lot of producer processors crammed into a shared space so they can share resources and have the advantage of multiple licenses under one roof. But I'm really excited to see these guys today. They're doing some great work with our system and growing some beautiful cannabis, which you'll see in just a moment.
My name's Kirby. I'm one of the owners at B-Force Farms. We've been in business about 2 years. Definitely think growing is about consistency, and you gotta love it.
This panel right here is the Growlink Wireless 1 panel, and this is what pretty much is the brain of the operation. So this controls everything from the pumps inside the reservoir room to the diaphragm pumps to the valves that spread the nutrients throughout the facility. Controls the dosing, controls pH, controls the equipment. Everything runs through this panel right here. Honestly, I couldn't be happier with it. It's as clear as day. These guys make it to where this is as simple as operating an iPhone. They are the Tesla of fertigation.